This is Anveya from the beautiful city Pune. Today is the last session of our summer camp. It all started with Bala Sir's introductory session. On the second day, it was really challenging for me to wake up at 7 and do yoga at 8 as I was in vacation mode. But it went so smoothly that after that, I could do yoga all day long. I thank Suhas sir for teaching us dynamic yoga. After the time management session, I improved in managing my time. I thank Amit sir for that. The memory techniques taught by Bala sir were incredible. Now I can remember long lists of words. I thank Bala sir for that. I thank Rekha ma'am for teaching us money management. I never knew that public speaking and storytelling could be so interesting. I thank Neeta ma'am for teaching us the techniques. I really enjoyed the short films on different topics, and the best of all was chicken dance. I thank Get Set Go to host this summer camp. You are awesome!